Mining and sustainability don't always appear in the same sentence, but at Carrascal Nickel Corporation, they do. In the Philippines, CNC is focusing on protecting the land, supporting communities, and thinking beyond extraction.
At CNC, sustainability is not a concept, it is a responsibility. A responsibility to the land, the communities that call it home, and the generations that will inherit it. This commitment earned CNC recognition at the ACES Awards 2025.
Progress and economic growth in our host communities show that responsible mining can truly improve lives.
At CNC, sustainability means stewardship, caring not just for what is taken, but for what is left behind.
Now, if sustainability were a person working at Carrascal Nickel, what job title would it have and why? What's the reason?
I think Chief Stewardship Officer. Stewardship because it reflects CNC role as a custodian and protector, not just of the mineral resources entrusted to us, but of the land, communities, biodiversity, and future livelihood in Carrascal and surrounding area.
Some of the most meaningful sustainability work happens quietly, away from recognition, but close to the heart.
I am proud of how we invest in our people, protect the environment, and uplift our communities. I believe that this contributes meaningfully toward nation building.
Over time, sustainability reveals itself in stronger communities, healthier environments, and hope that lasts beyond operations.
Through the years, I see new economic development in the community and how our environment program come out thriving beautifully. It's not just about creating livelihood for progress, but being steward of nature.
Beyond every responsible operation are people whose work ensures the future remains protected.
Our environmental monitoring team should take the credit and receive the award because of their hard work. Their environmental work will benefit generations to come.
At CNC, sustainability is not a promise. It is a legacy in progress.
At Carrascal Nickel Corporation, sustainability doesn't stop even when mining does. Because progress here isn't just about what comes out of the ground, but what stays behind. I'm Ann Edwards for ACES.